I'm David. I study philosophy and political science here at UCR. I'm a rising senior, so almost done, 1 year left.
My name is Edgar Ortuño. I am a third year Media and Cultural Studies and Sustainability Studies double major with a minor in education.
I'm Lisa Deshacool. I graduated as a philosophy major in 2018.
At first, you don't really know what you're getting into. It's like this little university fellowship. It's just a name. You sign up. There are like 4 of you. You've only just met them. And then you're flown off to some major university, and there's maybe 20, 30, 50 of you from all over the place, from really impressive, scary institutions. And they keep taking you to these world-class institutions filled with people from other world-class institutions, and you realize how many Mellons there are exactly, and how big that community is that you've stumbled into. And that's a big deal.
I think students should definitely apply, especially if you don't know if research is for you, because a lot of us don't know what research is, and a lot of us don't know what we can do with research and how we can actually have an impact, especially when you're doing research that is meaningful to you and to the community from where you come from. So I suggest even if you have the slightest of interest, you should apply, because I didn't know I wanted to do research, and I didn't know that research was for me, but I think once you start learning about it and once you start reading and doing all these things that involve research, you're really gonna learn more about yourself and how you are as a person, but also how you try to navigate yourself through this institution.
A lot of the times what a professor will ask you to do during class is something based off what you're reading already, which is assigned based on what the class theme is. When you do research for Mellon, it is your research. The biggest thing is that I have the freedom to really explore what I'm interested in.
The biggest thing Mellon does for me is the people. When you go to a Mellon conference and you see all these people around you, all these scholars who are like you, who study things, like or not like what you study, it's sort of this incredible experience that the ordinary undergrad doesn't have an analog for. And it really, I think, gives you the confidence to pursue graduate education.
There's a lot that I didn't know about how emotionally tough it would be on me. There's this thing called imposter syndrome that a lot of grad students can feel when they go into a program and they just constantly just berate themselves and feel there's I don't deserve to be here, everybody else is better than me. And that's something that I definitely felt even being in Mellon, but being able to talk to other people who are in the same boat about that, coming from the same types of places, hey, all of us feel this way, so maybe we do belong here.
Mellon isn't just test prep. I'd really hesitate to describe it in any terms like that, because that's really doing it a disservice. It's a community you can bounce writing off of. You can really talk about stuff, and that's more important, I think.
Please visit mellonmays.ucr.edu for application details.